the Ace VTOL team has unveiled two exciting new concepts, the Slipstream Elite and the Trinity. First up, the Slipstream Elite is a sleek two-seater electric car that can take off and land vertically, just like a mini aircraft. It's powered by cutting-edge technology, including AI and remote control, and features 4 plasma engines to make this futuristic vision possible. But the real showstopper is the Trinity. This impressive vehicle can also take off and land vertically, but it's designed to carry up to 7 people. With a top cruising speed of 354 kilometers per hour and a range of 20,200 kilometers, it's built for both speed and long-distance travel. While these ideas sound incredible, it's still uncertain whether they'll become real-world products. The Ace VTOL team is definitely aiming high, and if they succeed, these vehicles could change how we travel in the future. In the US, AOW Wakeboats specializes in creating custom airboats designed to meet every customer's unique needs. Whether you're looking for a fishing boat with luxurious seating and cup holders, or a rugged service vehicle built for tough jobs, they've got you covered. If you need power, they can deliver with options like a 1,500 horsepower engine. AOW Wakeboats offers a range of customizations, from boat length and reinforced hulls to various drive and propeller options, as well as different seating arrangements. Whatever you envision, they can make it happen. Now, let's introduce the Extreme Vi, a powerful airboat that showcases their commitment to performance and versatility. It's designed to tackle various conditions while providing comfort and reliability. Whether for work or play, AOW Wakeboats ensures that each model is perfectly tailored to your specifications. Alpha Jax is an exciting new electric vehicle from Alpha Motor Corporation, a cutting-edge American car maker. This subcompact crossover coupe mixes the sleek look of a coupe with the ruggedness of an SUV, all while being powered by eco-friendly electricity. Inspired by the design of the AL Ace coupe, the JX has a modern, bold look that's perfect for adventurers. Expected to launch in late 2023, the Jax was first revealed with a cool 3D rendering back in 2022. It's designed for those who love the outdoors, with JAX standing for Junior All-Terrain Crossover. The vehicle features 2 small rear half doors for easy access to the back seats, higher suspension for off-road trips, and durable tires for tackling rough terrain. On top of that, the JAX has an impressive range of over 250 miles on a single charge and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds. The Autogyro gyro motion is a game-changer in travel, offering the best of both worlds, road and air. It's a hybrid vehicle that can switch from driving on the ground to flying in the air, making it a versatile solution for both. With a reliable rotor system for flight and regular wheels for driving, it transitions smoothly between air and land, offering a unique and exciting way to get around. Perfect for short flights and quick trips on the road, the gyro motion is ideal for personal commuting. Imagine flying over traffic and then driving straight to your destination. This vehicle can do both, cutting down on travel time and adding a lot more freedom to your commute. By combining the practicality of a car with the thrill of flight, the Autogyro gyro motion is changing the future of transportation. It's not just innovative, it's an efficient and exciting way to move between air and land, showing us a glimpse of what commuting could look like in the future. The BYD Yangwang U8 is a high-end, luxury off-road SUV that combines both power and innovation. Part of BYD's premium Yangwang sub-brand, this hybrid SUV uses both a gasoline engine and electric power, letting you travel farther without needing to recharge often. With 4 electric motors, 1 for each wheel, it delivers incredible control and performance. Thanks to BYD's advanced E4 technology, each wheel operates independently, ensuring better traction and stability, even on rough terrain or if you get a flat tire. The U8 is built for both safety and efficiency, featuring BYD's cutting-edge Blade battery. While details on the battery's range haven't been fully shared yet, the SUV offers all-wheel drive, meaning all 4 wheels work together for smoother handling on any surface. It also has a dynamic battery generator that enhances performance and efficiency, making it perfect for off-road adventures or daily drives. The eBand Boat Cart 15.0 is a compact and innovative electric boat designed for fun on the water. It combines the convenience of a cart with the excitement of boating. Powered by a strong electric motor, this boat offers a quiet and eco-friendly ride, making it perfect for lakes, rivers, and coastal waters. Its lightweight yet sturdy build makes it easy to handle and transport, while the user-friendly controls ensure a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. With a top speed that's perfect for leisurely cruising, the eBand Boat Cart 15.0 is ideal for families, beginners, and anyone looking for an accessible and fun way to explore the water. Whether you're out for a day of fishing, enjoying a picnic, or just cruising around, this electric boat provides a great way to connect with nature and enjoy quality time on the water. With its combination of ease of use and thrilling adventures, the eBand Boat Cart 15.0 is the perfect choice for anyone eager to make the most of their time outdoors. The electric revolution is transforming how we move, and the Envo eATV is a perfect example of this shift. This four-wheel electric marvel is designed for both outdoor work and play, offering the performance of a traditional ATV, but with a cleaner, greener twist. Powered by two hub motors, each delivering 1.5 kilowatts, the Envo eATV can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. It's built to handle heavy loads, carrying up to 200 kilograms and towing up to 350 kilograms. Plus, with a full charge, you'll get a range of around 70 kilometers, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures or tasks. Priced at $6,100, the Envo eATV provides an eco-friendly alternative for those who want power, durability, and sustainability all in one. Whether you're tackling tough terrains or simply enjoying a day outdoors, this electric ATV is reshaping how we think about off-road fun and utility. The Aeretic Snow Scoot is a thrilling winter sport device that combines the excitement of snowboarding with the stability of a scooter. Perfect for those who love to ride on snow, this innovative snow scoot is designed for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced riders. Its unique design features a sturdy frame with a wide platform, making it easy to balance and maneuver on snowy slopes. The Aeretic Snow Scoot is lightweight yet durable, allowing for smooth rides over various terrains, whether you're gliding down a gentle slope or tackling more challenging trails. With its adjustable handlebars, riders can customize the height for comfort and control. Plus, the Snow Scoot is equipped with high-quality snowboards at the base, providing excellent grip and stability so you can enjoy every twist and turn. Whether you're hitting the slopes for fun or looking to try something new, the Flyboard is an adrenaline-pumping water device that lets you soar above the waves and pull off amazing aerial tricks. It's powered by a jet ski, which uses water pressure to push you upward through two jets attached to a board under your feet. By shifting your body weight, you can control your balance and direction, allowing you to do jaw-dropping flips, dives, and other stunts. You can fly as high as 50 feet, 15 meters, making the Flyboard a perfect choice for thrill seekers and water sports lovers. It's like combining the rush of flying with the excitement of riding on the water, a totally unique experience that will leave you buzzing with excitement. If you're looking for an adventure that's out of the ordinary, flyboarding is something you definitely need to try. It's a thrilling way to experience the freedom of flight while staying connected to the water, offering a one-of-a-kind ride that's both exhilarating and unforgettable. The Future E is a cutting-edge watercraft packed with futuristic features. It uses an electric propulsion system and is built with carbon fiber, making it lightweight and recyclable. One standout feature is its smart hydrofoils, which adjust their angle of attack based on input from the onboard computer. This helps optimize speed and efficiency. The wings can also be quickly swapped out, similar to a Formula One pit stop, allowing for fast changes depending on the conditions. Last year, the prototype was successfully tested on the water, showcasing its capabilities. With 85 kilowatts of power, the Future E can reach speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, making it both fast and efficient. However, this high-tech craft only seats 4 people, making it a bit exclusive. Still, with its sleek design and advanced technology, it's hard not to envy those who will have the chance to experience it firsthand. The GAC ERA concept car offers a glimpse into the future of automotive design and innovation, even though its production is still uncertain. It highlights several key trends for upcoming vehicles. First, sustainability is a major focus, with parts of the car made from eco-friendly materials like algae and recycled plastic. This reflects the growing push for environmental consciousness in car manufacturing. Second, the ERA moves away from traditional internal combustion engines and runs on hydrogen fuel cells, delivering an impressive 540 horsepower. The Leapmotor's AEV, autonomous electric vehicle, is an exciting innovation in urban transportation, designed for those who want a more sustainable and efficient way to get around. This unique vehicle combines the benefits of a motorcycle with the safety and comfort of a car. With its compact size, the AEV is perfect for navigating busy city streets and finding parking in tight spaces. One of the standout features of the Leapmotor's AEV is its self-balancing technology, which allows it to stay upright even when stationary. This means you can hop in and out easily, just like you would in a car. The electric motor provides a smooth and quiet ride while helping reduce your carbon footprint, making it an eco-friendly choice for commuters. The AEV is also packed with smart technology, including advanced safety features and connectivity options that keep you in touch with your devices. The Podbike is an innovative electric vehicle designed to make your daily commute both fun and eco-friendly. Combining the convenience of a bike with the comfort of a small car, this unique vehicle offers a safe and enjoyable ride for all types of weather. Its sleek, aerodynamic design not only looks great, but also helps you glide effortlessly through the streets. With a fully enclosed cabin, the Podbike keeps you protected from rain, wind, and cold temperatures, allowing you to ride comfortably year-round. The electric motor provides an easy boost, making it perfect for longer distances or hilly terrains. Plus, with a top speed of around 28 miles per hour, you can zip through traffic while enjoying the fresh air. The Podbike is also designed with sustainability in mind. It runs on electricity, helping reduce your carbon footprint and contributing to a cleaner environment. Hyundai's SA2 project is taking flying vehicles to the next level. Already in the prototype stage, this electric vehicle can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for future urban air travel. One cool feature? It's as quiet as a refrigerator while flying, which is a game changer for city noise. What makes the SA2 even more exciting is its flexibility. It can easily switch between passenger and cargo modes, allowing it to carry up to 4 people or transport goods as needed. With a range of about 64 kilometers and a cruising speed of 193 kilometers per hour, it's built for short, fast trips through the skies. Hyundai plans to start production soon, meaning the SA2 could transform how we travel in the near future. Imagine avoiding traffic jams by flying above the city. This project shows Hyundai's vision for flying cars that are efficient, eco-friendly, and practical for everyday use. The Shane is an exciting new electric vehicle concept created by the inventor of the original hoverboard. It stands out with its unique 2-wheel parallel design, giving you a futuristic and efficient way to get around, unlike traditional cars. Designed for everyday use, Shane combines the latest technology with a sleek, aerodynamic style that's sure to turn heads. What makes Shane really special is its self-balancing feature, which makes driving smooth and easy, even for beginners. Powered by advanced electric motors, it promises a fun, effortless ride that feels both modern and comfortable. This innovative vehicle offers a fresh take on personal transportation. The Stabby X 250UC is the ultimate adventure vehicle, perfect for fishing, camping, or beach trips. Priced around $450,000, this amphibious boat is a powerhouse with the capacity for up to 450 horsepower engines. It comfortably seats 7 people, and on land, it's nearly 3 meters tall, thanks to its additional 40 horsepower engine. What makes the 250UC special is how easy it is to operate. Driving it feels just like driving a car, with simple and intuitive controls. It's also loaded with features that make any outing more enjoyable. There's a built-in refrigerator to keep your snacks fresh, a stereo system to keep the good vibes going, and a live bait tank for fishing enthusiasts. Whether you're cruising across the water or driving on land, this vehicle is built for fun and function. The Staba X250UC offers a seamless blend of luxury, power, and convenience, making it a dream for outdoor lovers who want to take their adventures to the next level. Twiku 5 is an innovative, compact electric vehicle that's perfect for modern urban living. This sleek, eco-friendly car is designed to be small enough to easily navigate city streets, yet spacious and comfortable enough for daily commutes. Its fully electric engine makes it environmentally conscious, reducing your carbon footprint while offering a smooth and quiet ride. With a range of over 150 miles on a single charge, the Twiku 5 is ideal for both short trips around town and longer drives. It charges quickly and efficiently, making it convenient for busy lifestyles. The vehicle's compact size doesn't compromise on style or features. Inside, you'll find a smart, user-friendly dashboard with all the latest tech you need for navigation, music, and hands-free communication. The Twiku 5 also prioritizes safety, with advanced features like parking assistance, rear cameras, and emergency braking systems.